We think light is instant, a flip of a switch, and a room is flooded with brightness. But this is an illusion, born of our human scale. Over real distance, even light crawls. Tonight, let's feel how slow the speed of light really is. Let's journey through the immense, silent delays that define our universe. Watch a photon cross a city. From a street lamp to a skyscraper window, it seems to take no time at all. But stretch the map, from one coast to another. Even in a perfect vacuum, that journey takes a fraction of a second. Through the fiber optic cables that connect our world, light slows down, taking a little longer. That speed begins to feel human, tick by tiny tick. Now, let's leave our world behind. Look to the sun. Its light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to warm your face. A solar flare we see erupting now actually began over 8 minutes ago. We are always witnessing an echo. Space is big. Our nearest celestial neighbor, the moon. Light crosses the distance from moon to Earth in about 1.3 seconds. Say hello, and your echo returns after a heartbeat. A conversation is possible, but with a noticeable, slightly awkward pause. Now reach for Mars. Depending on our orbits, a signal from Earth to Mars can take anywhere from 3 to 22 minutes. One way. Mission Control speaks and waits. They send a command to a rover, then hold their breath for nearly an hour to see if it was received and executed correctly. The universe replies on a delay. This is why our explorers must be so independent. We cannot joystick a rover on Mars in real time. The lag is too great, so we give them autonomy. We tell them what to do and trust them to figure out how. Our now stretches, and planning becomes everything. Pull back further, to the giants of our clockwork solar system. To send a message to Jupiter, we must wait. Its light time from Earth varies from 35 to 52 minutes. A simple, "Are you there?" takes an hour and a half for a round trip. And Saturn, the jewel of our system, light needs over an hour to make the journey one way. The stunning images from the Cassini probe were ghosts, arriving long after they were captured. We were watching a memory. Out at the frozen edge, Pluto is roughly 5.5 hours away, at light speed. A message sent at the start of a workday would arrive after the day is done. The reply wouldn't come until the next morning. And still, we reach. Voyager 1, our farthest messenger, still speaks. Its faint whisper, traveling at the speed of light, takes about 22 hours to reach us. One way. Yesterday's message, heard today. A single round-trip conversation takes nearly 2 full days. Now, we leave our solar system entirely. The nearest star? Proxima Centauri. At light speed, the journey is 4.24 years. A postcard sent today, delivered mid-decade. If a civilization there sent us a message, the people who sent it would be 4 years older by the time we even received it. Their world would have changed. Let's cross our home, the Milky Way. To travel from one edge to the other would take about 100,000 years, at light speed. When light begins its journey on one side, human civilization is just beginning on the other. By the time it arrives, empires have risen and fallen 100 times over. Our galaxy is a cathedral of waiting. Look toward the heart of it all. The galactic center, with its supermassive black hole, is about 26,000 light-years away. The light we see from its dense star fields left when our ancestors were painting on cave walls. We are looking at the Stone Age, and beyond our home? To Andromeda, our galactic neighbor, light needs around 2.5 million years to cross the void. The photons hitting your eye tonight from Andromeda began their journey when early hominids walked the Earth. Every glow we see is ancient news. Let's go to the very edge of what we can see. The observable universe. The light from the most distant galaxies has traveled for over 13 billion years to reach us. But because the universe itself is expanding, those galaxies are now much farther away, a distance of over 46 billion light-years. We are looking at ghosts from a time just after the dawn of creation, ghosts that are now impossibly, incomprehensibly far away. This is the reality of the cosmos. No live streams across space, no instant messages. Conversations become letters of light, sent across oceans of time. We speak, and years, centuries, millennia later, someone or something might listen. Physics draws a boundary around every moment, a shape called a light cone. Inside this cone is everything you can ever know or influence, your past and your possible future. Outside is elsewhere, forever late. Events happen there that you will only learn of after a delay, if ever. You are causally disconnected from the immediate now of the wider universe. So breathe in and feel the distance, the immense, profound separation between here and there, now and then. Breathe out and accept the delay. We live in a universe of patient signals, of messages in bottles cast into a cosmic sea. Every star you see is a message that was already on its way, years to ages old. You are not seeing stars, you are seeing history. We are always and only reading the past. Let this vastness soften you, not frighten you. It connects us to a story so much larger than ourselves. Take a slow breath in, feeling the cool air fill your lungs. And a long, slow breath out, releasing into the quiet dark. Rest now, under messages still crossing the dark, arriving from a time long since past.